Yan. Sabi ko, Drip, pagbigyan mo ako, anak ko tong babae. Gusto daw niya. So pumunta talaga si Sharon Cuneta pati siya. For that alone talagang, I must say na, maybe I will support him again politically. Pero if there is anybody who created the monster, Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Yung juvenile offenders law niya. I think it's copied from Washington or similar doon sa New York. Binaba nila from below 9, wala yan. Above 9, below to 12, tapos below 12, tapos below 16. May indeterminate sentence law. Depende lang if there is severe malice or simple malice. Tinanggal nila yan, straight 15 below. Kaya makita mo dyan sa EDSA, panay ang snatching, takbo. Walang huli-huli yan. And the police cannot even hold the hands of the guy. He starts to struggle and he falls down, but mamusugatan niyang muka, ang pulis ang may kaso. And even a mere arrest. And that is why I said, we have a generation, how long ago was the, almost 12 years na? We produce a generation of Filipinos in and out every day without the necessary intervention after the arrest. So, manhid, ayaw na nila ngayon maniwala ng batas kasi nasanay sila na ang batas ganun kadali. So this thing, it's from the formative years dyan sa kalye. Yan. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaletse-letse ang buhay. They are now adults. Noon mag-cover pa ng bunga muka. Ngayon wala na, diretso. Bigyang stop you, ilang victims na mga babae, patay, for nothing, kunin lang yung sakyan. Tripping na, wala na. Alam mo dito, bakit ako galit? Bakit ako nagmumura? I do not do it. I mean, to my fellow men, to be fair. Alam mo, ang totoo lang, galing ito sa United Nations. Ang United Nations International Narcotics Board precursors, chemicals frequently used in the illicit manufacture of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances. Every page dito, merong characterization or whatever you call it, anong effect. Cannabis. The effect is cannabis smoke contains 50% more tar than the high tar cigarettes, which puts users at an increased risk of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. Wala masyadong patayan sa Amerika. Because they go for cocaine. Mayaman eh. Ang papi yan. Tapos ang sunod, cocaine. Nandito yung risks. Mixing cocaine with alcohol is a dangerous cocktail and can greatly increase the chances of sudden death. Kaya mga artista sa Hollywood. You have the ecstasy. Ayan, no? Bigyan ko kayo kopya. Kunin niya, paano ko kay Padilla, wala ba siya dito? Huwag niyo sabihin na backbite ko siya. Hindi na tayo pabalikin dito. Tablets, odorous, ecstasy. Tablets or pills that are sold as ecstasy may contain other potentially dangerous substances, which can vary widely in strength and effect. Kaya ako, galit dyan kila Calamard, pati yung mga human rights. Heroin. Galing United Nations to, ha? Users risk overdosing on heroin which can lead to coma and death through respiratory depression. May mga artista pag na-stress, sanayan sila dyan. LSD. The physical effects are small compared to the psychological and emotional effects. They include dilated pupils, increased heart rate, and blood pressure, loss of appetite, sleeplessness, dry mouth, and tremors. Methamphetamine. Shabu. Tignan mo. Risks. Methamphetamine use sometimes triggers aggressive, violent, and bizarre behavior among us. United Nations, though. There are two entities under the United Nations. Itong isa, nagdala pa ng black doctor. Nagkwento pa dyan sa TV that, you know, there is no harm at all. Imagine, doktor ka, tapos dala-dala ka na. And it's an organ under the United Nations. International Narcotics Board Control, United Nations. So they are quarreling with each other. At bakit naman dito, yung latest was bizarre behavior. Sit in the Visayas, pinutol niya yung ulo niyang asawa niya. Tapos sinabi niya, okay na tayo, pinatay ko na si Duterte, tinanggal ko. Hindi niya ang bizarre behavior. Akala niya, ito, United Nations na ito po. Kung walang hiya itong mga human rights talaga. Ayaw maniwala na lumalaban talaga yan. You saw on TV, high on drugs. Yung pulis atras ng atras, inisaksak niya. It was not until after the police was left with no recourse, binaril na niya. Tumba na sila eh. Tapos, kung anong pinagsasabi, extrajudicial killing, alam mo, ito yung listahan ng ilan ang namatay. Baliktarin mo. Ilan ang namatay because of Cebu? How many families have been rendered dysfunctional? Pag ang tatay tinamaan, the family becomes dysfunctional. It destroys the fundamental unit of our society. If the mother is into it, or father, mother, or one or two, baski anak mo, magnakaw na yan ng mga, pati yung kutse mo ipagbili. Pati yung kapitbahay mo, yayariin. Kaya ikaw, hindi ka makaalis ng bahay, alam mo maraming tambay, at alam mo nag-ihitit. Every time you go out of the house, you are under stress. Kasi kung mahirap ka lang, wala kang security guard, o pati yung security guard, yan na mismo ang titira sa pamilya mo. Ilang pamilya na dito na nirape, pinatay lahat? Ilan? Yan bang human right na titignan nila yan? Ilang inosente? Kaya sa Bulacan, pinatay yung nanay, nirape yung mother-in-law na bulag, 14-year-old girl, pinakialaman pati yung bata na 1-year-old. Sus naman, oy. Tapos sabihin mo, extrajudicial killing. Ilan? Ang totoo. Saan? Who was my 50th victim? Okay? What did it happen? How did it happen? What was the transaction all about? Hindi nila masagot yan. Lahat ng namatay, isali na lang nila yung sa Yun ang problema sa Pilipinas. Yan ang problema ng oposisyon. Pati itong left. Pero sila kung pumatay ng mga barangay captain, kung mag-ambos ng sundalo ko, pati polis, nuhi-nuha tayo. Yan. Corruption plus the sad state of things. Ilan ang na-corrupt sa droga? Marami. Ilan? Putang ina, 9 generals. I did not know about it because limitado nga ang dimensions ko. But when I was president, sabi ko, tignan, sabi ko, Sid, you retrieve everything there. O, tita mo si Luot, 100 million as statement of assets and liabilities. Ako sinabi ko, yan, including my inheritance, talagang may pera ako. 40, sabi ko, pag sumubra ng 40 lahat yan, I will step down. May pera ng gobyerno yan. Wala akong... Gusto ko ng pera. Ang transaction ng si billion. Ni isang papel, hindi ko tinatanggap yan. I do not sign anything there. Not because I am afraid. No. But I do not take responsibility. It's not that. Para sabi, wala talaga. Everybody has his own authority. Walang transaction umaabot. Wala. Basket, cellphone nga hindi ko alam. Hindi kami nag-uusap ni Sid. Never interfere, even one cargo. Kaya nga tuloy, sabi ko na presidente ako, huwag mo nang buksan. Total, ang kaming mga gobernador, mga mayor, sige mayor, isang train yung bagahe. Pagdating galing sa Hong Kong, sa Malaysia, sa Middle East, binubuksan yung bag. Kuha dito, kuha. Hintuan ninyo yan. Yung bala, kakainin mo yan, tingnan mo. Ipalunok mo, ay, nako. Si Sidro man yan, sabi ko, bigyan mo ng tubig, Sid. Para inumin niya yung pagka-45 ang baril mo na masira talaga yung igit mo dyan. Paano lumabas yan? Ay, kakainin mo talaga yan. Maniwala ka. Madali lang man yan. Ngayon, police, tutukan mo yan ng gano'n, ng revolver, hindi yan. Pero birahin mo ang hammer, magsabi, sir, bitawan mo yan. Ay, putang ina ka, bibitawan ko talaga ito, litse ka. Lalo na dito, kasi pag dito, mabuti na lang rin mamatay ko. Huwag ako sumabog yan. No more. No more life. No more beautiful women. Wala na, Wala na. Paano magtingin-tingin ka ng gano'n? Hoy, kaganda nila, no? Wala na. Ang bayag ko, pinasabog ni Duterte. No smoking. Gano'n yan. Bakit? Pera ba niya ito? Gano'n. Bakit siya curtail ng freedom namin? Kung gusto namin mamatay ng cancer. There is nga a law that is good for everybody and only not for you. Ayaw. Tinabihan ko siya. Choose. Lose your balls or you eat your cigarette. I will eat my cigarette. No. Natural. It was natural. Ganon lang man yan. Human rights nga, si Gascon nga, kurug-kurug na. Gahawak siguro ng ano niya yan. Hindi ako, small time lang talaga ako. But my ways are brutal, I admit. Cruel, okay yan. Lahat na. Baka ako may deal ako sa inyo. Let us, we come to an agreement. I will open the topic to Congress. Then I will, kung mayroon na at the end of the year, I will step down.